Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. If you are looking for the perfect new toy that actually helps you out around the house for your toddler, I highly recommend this 3-in-1 BAYMI vacuum. It is so cute and it really works. I thought it was so cool that it came with this stand to make it look like a real stick vacuum. I love that it has these 3 detachable pieces so you really can use it like a real vacuum. My son has always been trying to take my actual vacuum, which is obviously way too big for him. So this has been really awesome for making him feel like he's actually helping out around the house, and he loves that it makes a real vacuum sound because it actually really works. I love that it has the 3 different attachments like most normal stick vacuums would have. It is super easy to empty, just like a regular vacuum, just unclip, which is awesome. If your toddler loves vacuuming or you want to get them started helping out with chores, I highly recommend this vacuum. We use it every single day. It really works and it's super cute. And that's my point of view.